Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here. And the video I have for you today is going over how to use and unlock one of these very common dial combination locks. They're a lock that a lot of people use, but if you haven't used one in a while, you can get a little bit rusty and need a little bit of a reminder. So this video is going to cover that exact topic. And also stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to go over how you can decode one of these locks in just a few minutes. Please stay tuned. Alright, let's get right into how to properly open up one of these locks. The first thing we're going to need to do is have the correct combination, which I'll put up on the screen right here. So the correct combination is going to be 18, 8, and 2. The first step is going to be turn the dial clockwise about 3 times so that you can completely reset the combination. So the typical trick with this lock is you need to go right, left, and then right. So when we do this, we're going to stop on our first number, which is going to be 18. And now that you can see that we are in 18, we're going to go to our next number, which is going to be 8. Now when you do the second number, you have to pass it at least once. So now we're going to go counterclockwise. We have now passed 8 the first time. We're going to go around one more time, and we're going to land right on 8. And now we're going to put in our final number. The final number we just go directly to, which is going to be the number 2. So we're going to turn clockwise right over to 2. And now that we have inserted the correct combination, the lock opens right up. And that is all that you need to do. These locks are very convenient. You don't need to carry a key. But if you haven't used one in quite a while, you can get a little bit rusty. And I really hope this video has helped you be able to refresh on how to use these. But either way, guys, this is all that I've had for you today. This is a quick refresher on how to use a dial combination lock. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And just thank you so much for checking this out.